This is a Porsche 996 with the modified Bodywork wide body kit on it that we've been working on, and in this video we're going to be transforming it from a completely stock 996 to a wide body race car for the street. This car came to us completely stock and unmodified, but since it came in, we've been making changes with numerous modifications done, like fitting the Bodywork kit on it. So let's chat with the guys and check out what they've been working on.
We installed the kit, we cut the quarters, we modified a lot of this body kit. There's a lot of custom touches on this thing. There's a lot of custom canards that were made and all hand formed by Rob out of aluminum.
That's awesome.
What else is custom on this thing? I think the way we installed this is not really traditional to this kit. A lot of the things that we did were, like, we molded the side skirts to the car. The kit's fully molded, like, all the way around.
Yeah.
We really refined all these gaps. I mean, that's one of the things that we always spend our time on, is making these gaps really nice.
Yeah.
Tailor fitted. And then it's got like a full custom interior. It's got the full custom Recaros with the back half cage.
Yeah.
It's got the Alcantara headliner, Alcantara pillars.
Oh,
Alcantara
even
dash cover.
yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of little custom touches to this thing, and then obviously the three-piece wheels, BBS, original magnesium.
Yeah, these look sick.
These are really nice wheels. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, so I'm guessing we're getting spaces for them to push them out a little bit? Or?
I believe that stuff will all get tailor fitted. We're not quite done with that stuff yet.
Okay.
It's still getting coilovers, and we're going to adjust the ride height.
And so what is happening right now?
Right now we're just, we primed this a while ago, so we let it sit for a bit so all the primer shrinks and does its thing. So now we're just blocking it out, making sure everything's good, going around doing little final bodywork touch-ups, and then we'll get it in the primer one more time, block it out one more time, because this car is going black, so this thing needs a lot of block sanding.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll be getting it ready for paint here.
Some threaded insert backing plates that will get bonded into the back side of this fiberglass bumper for the canards, the dive planes that we made. So yeah, just shaping this piece of aluminum to fit back here, get a nice tight fit. These little panel bond, and that will provide us a really nice threaded insert plate. Spread the load.
All right, we are about to paint our 996 wide body Porsche kit. This came in as a nice, clean, stock, black coupe, 6-speed car. We got one of the first Bodywork wide body kits, some magnesium E88 BBS wheels. We built the GT3 recreation cage for it in the back half. We did some Recaro pole position seats, but we rewrapped them in leather, embossed all the Porsche logos and some stuff like that. Redid the interior in Alcantara. And then, yeah, we have a few little mechanical things to do. We still got to lower it, put it on coilovers. But the big push is to have it ready for driven this weekend. Brett's getting it masked up and we're going to shoot it today. So ideally, we hope to have it at the show this Saturday. Might be a long night or two in there. Rob's next door, he's working on the new wing for it because we're going to change that up a little bit. But yeah, today's the big day. It's going gloss black and it's finally getting done.
We're mounting a new wing blade onto the base for the 996 wide body project that we got going on. I got this really nice carbon blade, and I believe this was a legit top secret blade from a Mark IV Supra. That's what I was told. So it's really nice, and I'm putting this on to replace what was originally this. I guess I should probably say this base had a flat blade on it, and I think it was like 996 Cup Car kind of spec. So I'll show you what that looks like. So That's this wing blade. So just straight, very effective, looks good, but kind of dated, and we want to add a little bit more style. So, and if you guys haven't seen it already, the Widebody 996 that we're building, it has the Milesworks body kit on it. It's super, super wide. So that Cup Car spec width wing was just too narrow. And so we got this guy here, and it measures out at 66.5 inches wide. So it's a lot closer match to the width of the wide body. We're gonna raise the wing blade up and push it back as well, just to create a more aggressive look. So I made this template, it's very, very rough. It's just sort of a proof of concept. Version number 1, as you can see. Version 2 was when I came up with this. So far, this is where we're at.
It looks so good.
So. Do final install in preparation to finish the Milesworks wide body. So this is one of the side rocker pieces.
You made a ton of pieces. It's not just this side skirt piece.
Right,
I mean,
so this guy goes in here like that's down in there, and I'll grab one of the dive planes. This is one of the other pieces that I made here. This goes on here, just like that.
That's beautiful.
Splitter, side rocker pieces, some of the dive planes for the rear and front. This is a piece that goes on the top of the rear bumper area, so a little air venting. And got this little guy over here. I made this to go on the bottom of the rear bumper. So just for style points, I made like a little aerofoil for it.
Little last minute suspension things.
Today's Thursday.
Thursday, it has to be ready for Saturday morning.
Okay.
So, you know, how we do it.
And so the whole car pretty much needs to be put back together for the show. That's kind of a sus face. That is so cool.
So we've decided that we're gonna leave them in a raw aluminum, a brushed aluminum finish for the show. The idea was never to leave it in this kind of state, even though it does look so good. We were gonna do something. One of the ideas that we had was to do Cerakote gold. It's getting some sort of old school racing livery on it. I believe our customer is thinking something reminiscent of the old Hawaiian Tropic sort of livery. So it has a bunch of golds, yellows, oranges.
Ooh, that piece looks glorious. Oh.
It's nice to see it on the car now, huh?
Yeah.
You know what's one of the coolest things about this whole setup that we built in here?
What?
Is this, I don't know what you call this rocker extension come up here?
Yeah.
It goes in, then it goes up and over to the floor, and what we've essentially created is like a drop rocker panel and made this whole air channel in here. So if you think about like old school F1 cars like that, and actually new generation F1, it's all the downforce is created in the under channels. That's what this is.
So cool.
It's a good thing these wheels are made out of magnesium.
What they are magnesium?
Yeah.
Nice.
These things are some sort of... Yeah. Okay. I don't have anybody under the car? Okay.
Too late now. And with that, the Milesworks wide-body Porsche 996 was done and ready for the show. On the next episode, we're going to be driving the Milesworks 996, the Slant Nose, the Evo, and some other cars to the Driven Show. So if you want to see that, be sure to like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.